Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change axis title of chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I insert a chart. You can see here are also a chart. Now I change axis title of chart. At first, I have to insert axis title. If I want to insert axis title, then go to select these charts, then go to chart design menu. Now you can see here are add charts elements. Click this drop down menu and you can see here are axis title. Now I choose primary horizontal. Now you can see here are axis title. Now I change axis title. Select this chart to double click on your mouse. Now I change axis title. Now you can see I change axis title of chart in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for